I am super excited because today I'm on my way to Arizona. I'm gonna visit my brother's new shop, which I'm so proud of him for. I'm gonna do a little shopping and I'm gonna go out to eat, have some delicious food, because in this small town there's not that much good food. Maybe a few restaurants. Hi, Smokey. Hey, I'm gonna miss you. He's my wildcat. You gotta pet him gentle because if not, he'll start trying to bite me. See? He's trying to do it already. Be nice. I'm visiting my brother in Tucson, and if you could see behind me, there is wood covering the window because somebody came at like midnight and broke out all their windows. They threw a brick through every single window. They started with the bedroom, which is around the corner, and they broke like 3 other windows, including the front window. And the baby was sleeping in the bed, and the brick fell at the foot of the bed. It could have hit them. It could have hit the baby. I was so scared for them. The good thing is that everybody's okay, and that's all that matters. This little boy loves to make bubbles, huh, Riker? Let me see your bubbles. Let me see. Blow a bubble. More. Oh, you need more. I don't know if it's gonna work if we're both blowing. Who's the beautifulest boy in the world? You? I stopped by the Tucson Farmers Market to see what goodies I could find. And I love sweets, so hopefully I can find something good. Pastries. They look really good.
It is very soft today.
Delicious. Look at that big chocolate chip cookie. That's so good. This one and this one. All right. I am trying an El Salvadorian pupusa. I don't know, it has cheese in it. It looks like a tortilla almost. I think it has beans and cheese. Comes with some sauerkraut. Pretty spicy. Woo! And I'm not sure what this is. Maybe this is some more salsa. Some kind of chili. Watery chili. I'm gonna try a bite putting some of this, looks like cabbage with salsa on top, and see if that gives it a little spice. It's actually pretty good like that. I am here visiting my mom and her garden. She made a really big garden. Look at all this corn. This is amaranth. Look at those beautiful purple leaves. The baby corn's growing with its little hair. I wanted to tell you about a very, very special plant there. It's called mullein. Someone told me that it's nature's toilet paper. If you're in the middle of nowhere and you have no toilet paper, you have no newspaper, they said you can use the mullein plant. Very soft leaves. I've never tried it, but if I was desperate, who knows? I may try it. Hi! Today I'm on my way to the Biosphere, which is a huge research facility made of glass. It's in Arizona, and I've been to Arizona like 100,000 times, and I always say I'm gonna go, but I've never gone. From pictures, it looks like something that would be on Mars. It has 7 biomes, like the ocean, the desert, desert, the forest. 8 scientists, 4 women and 4 men, went into the research facility in 1991 for 2 years. They actually ran into problems. They had a low supply of oxygen and food, and so they had to inject oxygen into the atmosphere because they were running really low. And the people that lived there said they were like constantly hungry the whole 2 years, which I think would be awful. But I'm super excited to check it out, so I'm gonna take you guys along.
These plants came from the very
There's trees. I just finished checking out the Biosphere and it was pretty amazing. You guys should check it out if you get a chance. So me and Grace bought these suckers that have bugs in them and I'm really grossed out. Mine has a grasshopper.
And mine has a scorpion.
Can you see the scorpion? I've never ate a bug before and I'm really grossed out.
And you know, I've actually lived here 8 or 9 years and I've been seeing these everywhere, but this is the first time I'm ever gonna eat a scorpion.
Is there a bug in there? Are you gonna eat a grasshopper? Let me see you eat your grasshopper. He keeps looking at the bug. It's so cute. Look at him. He's looking at his grasshopper. Lick the grasshopper. There you go. Are you eating the bug?
That's where my mom's.
Is it good?
They used to be where my mom.
Gives it a little flavor, doesn't it? Say bug. Bug. I feel like this whole thing tastes like a grasshopper and it's making my stomach sick, but I'm gonna keep eating it. So I've been calling this a grasshopper the whole time, and it's actually a cricket. I can tell by the taste. Are you ready?
Are we doing this right now?
I want to do it. 1, 2, 3.
3.
It's kind of crunchy and tastes like some kind of bug, like buggy tasting. How's yours? It's pretty gross. It definitely leaves a bad taste in your mouth. I have cricket in my teeth. I am starving because I haven't ate today except that cricket, which is disgusting, and my stomach still feels nauseous. So I'm hoping if I eat a little bit of food, I can get that feeling out of my belly. I think I'm gonna eat chicken fried steak. This is my dinner, chicken fried steak. And he got chicken fried steak, and he got chicken fried steak. And we got a tamale pie over here that Gracie got. Hi, Gracie. Then we got, what is this?
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit French fries. Today I'm gonna check out my brother's shop. He finally finished it. I helped a little bit. I did some tiling and helped him paint. And so I'm excited to see how his new shop turned out. He has it open and he's taking customers. This is his sign, Tucson Bicycle Service. So how's the shop doing? Looks really good. Everyone okay? This is my little brother. He's like 3 years younger than me, but he's a lot taller. But he's shy. He's very camera shy, but he knows how to work on bikes. He's been doing it for like 16 years. He's so good at it. So if you need some bike work, stop by Tucson Bicycle Service because he is the best mechanic. He's been doing this for 16 years. He'll do a wonderful job on your bike. And here's his address. Oh, it goes through here. Whoops. So I'm shopping at the mall today and I got my favorite tacos. These are carne asada tacos and they're so freaking good. Look at this raspada. It's ice cream, milk, strawberries. It is so delicious. Yum. Now it's time for some more shopping. Really like this shirt. I'm gonna get it. Smokey. Hi, Smokey. Hi. No, be nice.